Sometimes just a little cleaning can completely change the mood of a home. Today, let's refresh and tidy up this small space together. Watch as the dust and clutter slowly disappear and everything starts falling back into place. Honestly, the best part of cleaning is seeing every surface become clean, shiny, and organized. It's not just about cleaning the house, it's about creating a fresh and uplifting feeling. With every wipe, the space looks more beautiful and inviting. And now, take a look at the final result. Clean, peaceful, and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoy watching cleaning transformations like this, sit back, enjoy the video, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.